Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called GetUpside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for GetUpside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So today's video topic is it too late to apply for unemployment benefits if you're an Uber or a Lyft driver or just self-employed person or just anyone? Maybe you're watching this and you're like, you know what? I'm not working right now and I need money. And maybe you're like, I never applied for unemployment. Can I still apply? The answer is yes. Yes, you can still apply. Now, why it, or, sorry, okay. I mean, I guess it's a simple answer, but I'm gonna explain to you why, and I'm gonna try to address probably some other follow-up questions you do have too. So maybe you did already apply and you never heard anything back. So I'm gonna talk to those people. I'm gonna also talk to people who have never yet applied for an applied and tell you how to apply. And then thirdly, I'm going to say if you applied and got denied, what you can do. So number one, the first people, if you applied, never heard anything back. Number two, if you have not yet applied. And number three, if you applied and you got denied, can you still reapply? So yeah, I think those are like the main groups of people who probably this video would apply to. So let's talk about the first people yet. You applied and you haven't heard anything back. What happened? Well, it's kind of a two-part people, because either you have a normal job, like a 9-to-5 job, either you quit, you got laid off, you're not working there anymore, whatever, or you're an independent contractor, you know, you're an Uber driver, Lyft driver, model, actor, freelancer, whatever, makeup artist, I don't know, whatever you are. Maybe you work at a restaurant, I'm not sure. Maybe you worked at a restaurant. So if you applied and didn't hear anything back, what should you do? So the problem was maybe you applied at the very beginning, or maybe you actually filled out the wrong application. So unfortunately, the applications that were set up, and I hope this helps, and I hope this does at least help some people actually apply and get benefits, because it was really confusing, so I'm gonna break it down really simple. When it first started, there's two applications for unemployment. Number one is if the stereotypical unemployment people are if you worked at a job, you got laid off. They said, hey, we can't afford to pay you right now because of the coronavirus, because of whatever, so you're being laid off. You didn't get fired, you got laid off. That's easy. Those people just go file unemployment and you worked at your job, whatever, you get your money. Now, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, whatever, it's a little bit more complicated. There's a separate application for you guys, because you don't have a company you're gonna get paid money from. You're actually getting money directly from the government. So those type of people, you might have filled out the wrong application, and so they just, I don't know, they just denied you, they didn't go through, whatever. You probably filled it out wrong, because there was no correct way to fill it out at the beginning, because, you know, what do you put for your employer if you're self-employed? Do you put yourself? Well, no, because yourself isn't in a company, so then there's no way for them to get money, whatever. So what you want to do is you want to go to your state website now. Go pause this video after, or finish the video, whatever, or after I get through this part. Go to your state website. Go to California Unemployment Benefits, PUA. If PUA is for independent contractors and self-employed, or whatever, or if you're normal, just type in California Unemployment Benefits, or whatever your state is. Arkansas unemployment benefits, Florida unemployment benefits. These states should all be set up. Get on the phone with somebody. That's the easiest way to get all your questions answered so you can fill out the correct application. Go ahead and do that. Fill out everything, and also make sure, a lot of people don't know this, but you can retroactively get money. So from this date you stopped working, you stopped earning income, put that as your start date for unemployment. So so let's say you got laid off on March or February. It goes all the way back to like February 15th. So you could potentially get months and months of pay. You could potentially get like $8,000 in your account. Because the way it works is there's like $600 per week from the federal government and then your state. So if week after week after week after week after week you haven't been getting paid, they're gonna retroactively apply it. That's the good news. The bad news is you just don't have your money yet. So you just gotta go claim that money. The second people, what if you applied, or what if you have not yet applied? I think that's what I said, right? If you have not yet applied, go back to the first step. I just told you how to apply. Easy enough. Go apply, get on the phone with somebody. Now the third people, if you got denied, you might want to hop on the phone with somebody and ask them why you got denied. You might simply not be eligible, but it doesn't hurt to try again, because a lot of these states were not set up yet, and they, you know, got, I think it was like they're getting like 1 or 2 million applications per week, and they were just getting flooded with applications. And who knows, maybe your application just got lost, or I don't know, it just was an error and it said it got denied. So try applying again, get on the phone with somebody, and make sure to fill out all the questions super carefully. And again, backdate it, put the start date as the time where you stopped earning money. For the meantime, download the GetUpside app and start making money every time you fill up gas. You're gonna pay for your gas, but you're gonna get cash back. Use the link down below, go to one of the gas stations in the app, click claim, upload a receipt, get money that way. That's all I have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions at all. I pretty much know almost all the answers to this stuff, or I can direct you to a website that does have the answer for your state. All the states are different, so that's why I can't tell you exactly where to go, but if you comment, I'll try to send you to the correct link. But anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll talk to you all soon. Make sure to use the GetUpside app, link in description. All right, bye guys.